New dietary guidelines push protein as the star of every American meal.
Officials say protein deserves priority at breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
The new food pyramid places animal protein at the center. Red meat and whole milk gain new official support.
Plant-based proteins receive less emphasis in the updated advice.
그레임즈를 every calorie ziyan bolsingam.
Many nutrition scientists say Americans already eat enough protein.
Average adults already exceed older protein recommendations daily. Old advice suggested 0.8 grams per kilogram body weight. New guidance suggests up to double that daily intake.
Extra protein helps mainly during active muscle building training.
Without training, extra protein offers little added benefit.
With my feet of our so experts say most people already meet their protein needs.
Protein supports muscle, bone, skin, hair, and organ repair.
Protein breaks into amino acids essential for body functions.
Whole foods remain the best source of dietary protein.
Experts fear protein advice will boost processed food consumption.
Food companies already add protein to nearly everything. Even drinks now carry protein marketing claims.
Conflicting messages risk confusing the public about healthy eating. Studies focus mainly on weight loss, not general health.
Evidence for benefits outside training remains limited. Excess protein can convert into fat inside the liver. That fat raises diabetes and metabolic disease risk.
More protein does not automatically mean better health.
Experts urge eating real foods instead of packaged products.